Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about tech giant Microsoft. They've been making headlines, and just last week, Microsoft made a remarkable move, edging out Apple to become the world's most valuable public company, nearly hitting the $3 trillion mark. Microsoft reached all-time highs, drawing in a wave of new buyers. So what does this mean for investors? Microsoft earnings are coming up on January 23rd, and the diverse technology business that they have been building with cloud computing, Office 365, and the booming AI business are all great things that are going to impact the investors. They even have a little dividend of 0.8%. So after its excellent performance last year, which has led to its premium valuation, there's a question as to could Microsoft earnings be a sell the news event? Meaning, could the stock price rise and then have a sharp decline once the earnings are announced? There is a possibility of Microsoft earnings triggering a sell off. Investors might be ready to cash in on the news. Before we go any further, if you're not subscribed, don't forget, subscribe, like, and at the end of this video, leave me a comment. Today, we got more exciting news related to Microsoft. They announced a new driving force for the company, Copilot Pro, which is a feature that can bring AI magic to the regular consumers like you and me. It debuted 2 months ago for businesses, but now they're rolling out Copilot Pro for a $20 subscription to regular consumers. You can access this AI-powered tool in Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You may not think that the $20 monthly subscription is worth it for a regular consumer like me or you, but don't forget that Microsoft has the business clientele that they've already rolled this out to, the companies, the government agencies, the universities. So Copilot Pro can bring a new level of productivity, generate an entire PowerPoint presentation from a simple chatbot prompt. It can help you write the perfect email. It's like having your own personal assistant. There are some features that are not available for the regular consumer yet. They're only in the business version. New features will be on the horizon to be added to the regular consumer version. So they are staying on top of what the consumers want and being on board with the future of productivity. So don't forget to drop me a comment. Let me know what your strategy is going into Microsoft earnings. And are you excited about these type of AI features being more accessible to us? Now, last point before we wrap this up, I'm going to talk about stock splits. Taking a look over the last few years, there have been some companies that have split their shares. They include Amazon, Google, Tesla, and of course, not listed here, but Apple. Microsoft is on this list from this article on the Motley Fool of 3 red hot tech stocks that could split their shares in 2024. The 3 tech stocks that could gear up for a split in 2024 are NVDA, Microsoft, and Meta. In recent years, this trend has made a strong comeback, driven by companies wanting to keep their share price affordable for everyday investors. So, number 1 on the list, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a tech giant with a market dominance of 95% when it comes to processors. They've had a 239% stock surge in 2023. Number 2 on the list is Microsoft. And beyond their iconic Windows and Office suite, as we've already discussed, Microsoft has had great advancements with AI, and now Copilot is continuing to be a game changer in the field. They've had a 57% stock surge in 2023. And Microsoft has had a track record of already having 9 stock splits in the past. So even though there's no official word on these, history and just the growth that these companies have had over the last year indicate that they could potentially have a stock split in 2024. So last on the list is Facebook. They've also had a stellar performance with 194% stock rise in 2023. And like the other two companies, an AI focused strategy. Do you think that these three companies could be gearing up for a stock split in 2024? So I'm recording this on Monday, January 15th, 2024, and Microsoft's stock price is about $388. NVDA is at 547 and Meta is at 174. I hope you enjoyed this quick breakdown on Microsoft. Let me know your thoughts on this company. Are you holding it in your portfolio? Do you see some potential for some option plays around the upcoming earnings? Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.